Up first this evening, another attack carried out by dogs. This time, a senior citizen was attacked by a group of 6 dogs on Richings Avenue, St. Andrew. The incident has been described as a narrow escape from death as the 65-year-old suffered serious injuries. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has that story.
They are not the usual two-legged attackers. This pack of dogs has made the life of 65-year-old mechanic Bert Harrison miserable. It was Thursday that Mr. Harrison said he came in close contact with death. He told TVJ News that he was working on a car in one of his client's yard along Richings Avenue in St. Andrew at the time of the incident.
I was working on a car in the yard, and the gentleman was coming in with his van. He wanted the gate to open. And with all of the dogs, they then group up by the gate. And then I was working and I said, well, yeah, I thought we got fear to go there still, but I said, I'm going to take a chance to come in.
But little did he know that there was a conspiracy against him.
And when we going out there, when I reach there, just getting close. And the bad one, the one that me have danger, was rush out. Coming towards me, then all the rest of them is like him is the leader. When he rush me, the rest of them follow. I think about 6 to 7. Big.
Mr. Harrison said he had to think quickly to outsmart the ferocious animals. A decision, he explained, saved his life.
When they rush me now, I have to start back. You know, because I don't want them to come behind me now. So I have to back and I go around to keep them in front. I can't eat them. Then, so I back in back, I drop a ground, bounce me the heel and drop a ground, and dog all over me. Bite up my foot, I saw a dog on my shoulder. Dog all bout. I tell you, me lick, me kick me. And then look up to the gentleman, it's like him never saw a gun.
Bandages to his ankles and leg told the tale of the ordeal. But the most concerning, he explained, is his eye injury.
So I almost lose my eye. God saved that one. I have to give thanks.
Are you able to see properly?
Yeah, but I'll get some drops and drop it in there a few times and don't feel bad since. Today when it happened, my eye couldn't open like now, you know. It closed right down. No matter what I did, just go down and just fasten together. They're feeling better now.
He explained that the owner, the same person he was trying to let in the yard, took him to the doctor, but he was not satisfied, which is why his daughter took him to the hospital on Friday.
I could lose my life. Yeah, so I said to all when I go through, but I like him just look back in that thing and line up a compensation for me. You understand?
His family is even considering legal action. When our news team visited the community on Saturday, the owner was not at home. There have been numerous dog attacks in the corporate area and St. Catherine over the past weeks.
Well, them have the plan all set out already. Now them talking about, like the labels and stamp and all of that, So when the dog injured somebody, they can know who a dog. But I think them should have a cage for them if you go have somebody in your home. A stranger invite persons inside your yard. You're supposed to have them put away, lock them away.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.